happened here? What happened here, Lilo? What happened here? What did you do?
A baby changed.
You're changing the baby. And what is that white stuff? Lilo, what are you doing?
Carpet's wrong.
Show me your baby. What?
Just put it off my egg.
Why is your baby all white?
No. Look, your baby.
Is baby Cheeky Monkey?
Even she's kind of like a
And
I'm
what-
going to get out of there.
Don't go anywhere.
Wow.
So how much is left in this?
You know,
Nathan.
What? What did you do?
Magic.
What? Where you going? Where you going?
Yes, stay here. Stay with Mummy. Because I don't know. I want you guys to clean this up.
Oh, I don't know what. Lilo, don't move. Tell me what you did over here. No, don't touch anything. Lilo, don't touch anything. What have you got? Lilo, Lilo. Why did you do that? Hmm? What were you thinking?
Go to England today.